keeping your grates and emitters clean is key in getting the most out of your grill. In this video, we'll walk you through the standard steps to keep your cooktop clean. We'll also show you some deeper cleaning techniques and explore different hot cleaning options. We're demonstrating using a commercial series true infrared grill, but this video can be referenced for any grill. Step 1 starts with your last cook and the burn off. After removing the food, turn all the burner valves to high, close the lid, and let the heat do the hard work. After about 10 minutes, any grease and food debris should have carbonized or burned to ash. You'll know the burn off is complete when your grill stops smoking. Shut down your grill for now. We'll start the cleaning when it's cool. At Charbroil, we strongly advise not using wire bristle brushes for cleaning. If a bristle falls off and sticks to the grate, it could end up in your food and, if ingested, land you in the emergency room, which we don't want. So what we like to use is one of our safer nylon bristle brushes. They're safer because they have no metal wire bristles and have been tested to over 15,000 cycles to ensure the stiff nylon bristles won't come loose. And of course they do a great job of knocking off any burnt on debris. They can only be used on a grill that's cool to the touch though. I'll talk about some hot cleaning tips later on. With the debris carbonized, a little pressure on the cool clean brush will take care of most baked on food. The metal edge at the front of the brush can be used on any hard to clean areas and on the sides of the grates. Next, we'll remove the grates and clean the infrared emitters. Your true infrared grill comes equipped with a cleaning tool that's designed to fit into the valleys of the emitters. I recently finished off some chicken with barbecue sauce that dripped into the emitters. You can see that the burn off has made it very easy to scrape. You can also use the tool to knock away any debris that is built up around the emitter holes. It's important to keep these holes clear so that heat is allowed to transfer evenly to your grates. The safer brush or a stiff wire like an unfolded paper clip will unclog any gunk that has made it into the holes. Next, dump the loosened debris into a garbage can or pail. Do the same with the grates, giving the bottoms a pass with your brush to remove any debris that may have worked its way under the grate and between the emitter. Next, we'll prep the grates for your next cook. Add a light coating of high heat cooking oil such as avocado, peanut, sunflower, or canola to both sides to protect the stainless steel from the elements. It'll also continue the seasoning process on your next cook. The stainless steel will continue to darken as you cook on the grill, and this will aid in heat retention. When placing the emitters back on the grill, make sure that the side edges overlap so that none of your cooking area is exposed to open flames. Now wipe down the grates with an oiled cloth or paper towel. This grate is porcelain coated cast iron, so it doesn't require seasoning, but the oil will remove any fine residual debris left on the grate. Place the grates over the emitters, being careful the grates cover the holes in the emitters. Now, with a clean microfiber towel, just give the exterior surface a wipe where any grime might have been left behind, wiping with the grain of the steel. Now put the cover back on and you're all set for your next cook. There will be times when you need to put in a little more elbow grease to clean up your grill. I'm going to go through a few options: soap and water, grate cleaning spray, vinegar and baking soda. As you would with your pots and pans, warm soapy water will do a good job to scrub off stuck-on grime. For your porcelain-coated grates, be sure to use a non-abrasive scrubber so you don't damage the porcelain coating. Use a bucket that will fit the grate and give it a thorough scrub. Your nylon bristle grill brush will help with some of the more stubborn areas. Do the same with your stainless steel components. Your goal here is not to restore the metal to its original shiny look. The heat discoloration on the stainless steel is a good thing for heating. It improves heat transference, makes them easier to clean, and inhibits corrosion. Your goal with cleaning the emitters is to remove any debris from the holes and to clean the troughs to keep grease from pooling up unnaturally. Next up, we'll work with our own Char-Broil grate cleaning spray. It's a non-toxic citrus formula that's safe for cooking surfaces. If you're using a commercial cleaner, it's important to make sure it's food safe. Spray the grates liberally. It will foam up all over the surface of the grates and start removing grease and carbon buildup. Then simply wipe the grates with a paper towel. When combined, vinegar and baking soda offer a deep cleanse for stuck-on food. Pour 1 cup of baking soda and 2 cups of vinegar into a garbage bag. Place the grates into the bag and tie it off with an elastic band. The two ingredients create a fizzy chemical reaction, a proton exchange between the base, baking soda, and the acid, vinegar. The bubbly reaction pulls the grease and grime from the grates along for the ride. Let the mixture sit overnight, then spray the grates with cool water. For each of these techniques, also oil down the emitters and grates between cooks. Now there are times when you can't wait for the grill to cool off before cleaning. Let's run through a few hot cleaning options. We'll start off with our own Char-Broil Safer combo brush. The wood scraper end with its built-in grooves is designed to fit your grate pattern, allowing it to scrub away both the top and sides of the grate. The more you use it, the better it'll work. The hot grates will burn in their pattern to the brush, creating a custom fit. Just like the metal edge on the Safer brush, the side of your spatula can be a quick fix to remove stuck-on food. Just remember to clean it off before you get back to flipping your burgers. Sliced in half and scrubbed over the grates, some folks swear by this method. Onions have natural antibacterial properties. That, combined with the steam created from the moisture in the veggie, will do the trick. This option works best when the grill is smoking hot, so it's not as effective during a cook. Balled up, aluminum foil is an effective scrubber on your grates, similar to a steel wool scrubber. The subject of aluminum foil brings me to our closing subject, what not to do. You may have seen tips that involve putting a sheet of foil over your grates to heat them up prior to cleaning. Definitely do not do this. Covering the grates can restrict the airflow inside the grill, overheat the firebox, and force heat into areas not designed to withstand excess heat. Some folks also like to line the firebox with foil as a time-saving cleaning method. The problem here is that any creases in the foil can cause grease to pool and the potential for a serious grease fire. We mentioned this earlier, but it's worth repeating. Metal wire brushes can be dangerous. Watch our Safer Grill Brushes video to learn why. Gas grilling is convenient and safe, but it's never a good idea to leave an open fire unattended. There are times when you might need to shut down your grill before completing a burn-off, but it's important to not leave your grill uncleaned for long periods. Bacteria, rust, mold, bugs are just a few things that a dirty grill can attract. But you'll watch this video, so hopefully that's a factor that won't come into play for your next cookout. Happy grilling! At Charbroil, we're dedicated to helping you get the most out of your grill. We welcome your questions, comments, and suggestions about our products and videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest product news, tips, and recipes.